Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're looking at a gorgeous kit by Julie Hutchings, and it's cup number cup 1104034_1483. It's called A Perfect Day. You get 3 sheets in the kit and it's to fit an 8x8 square card. You get the card front, decoupage, gift tags, mini card and insert. And it's a gorgeous kit with sentiments as well to match different occasions. So I'd like to have a look what you get actually in the kit, and then we can go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet that we see is the card front. So it fits the 8x8 square card. We've also got the sentiments as well that you can use, and a gift tag as well. Our second sheet is the decoupage to build up the front of the card. So we can build up the panels and the lady and the makeup bag, etc., to build into a 3D design. Our third sheet is the insert and a mini gift card. So you simply cut out the mini gift card, score in the centre, fold in half, so you've got a coordinated look. And that's our insert. So we're going to go ahead and make our card. I've got an 8x8 square white card. I'm going to turn to the back of the card, and I've taken the little gift tag that there is in the kit and one of the sentiments. Now on the back of the gift tag I've got flat double-sided adhesive tape, and I'm simply going to add this not quite in the centre but just below the centre of the back of our card, and I'm just going to press that down. And then the little sentiment that I've cut out that says with love, I've got flat adhesive tape on the back of this as well, so I can peel away the back of the tape, and I'm just going to add that to the bottom of our tag. There we go, and press that down. And that's going to tie nicely in with the rest of the card, I think. So I'm going to turn the card back to the front, and I'm going to open it up, and we're going to add our insert panel. Such a beautiful design. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, and you can use whatever glue you're comfortable using, whether it's wet glue or whether it's a tape runner, anything you're happy with. And a top tip, if you're cutting something out and you're not too sure of which way it's going to go up or down on your card, so when you look at it before you cut it out, just turn it over and put your little arrow facing upwards so you know that this edge is the top edge. I just normally use pencil, but I've used pen so you can see it on camera. So I know that my insert is going to go that way up. I'm going to place the insert in the centre of my card. It's going to give a little bit of a border around the edge, and once I'm happy it's in position, I'm going to just press it down. There we go. And as quick as that, that's our insert in the card. Turn the front of the card over, and now I can add the front of the card. So the main image for the front of the card I've cut out, and again I've got flat double-sided adhesive on the back, just because it's my choice. I like the double-sided flat adhesive. It's nice and quick to use when I'm filming, and I don't have to wait for it to dry. So I'm going to add the card front on the front of the card, like so, and as if by magic, the card front is on the card front. Once I'm happy it's in position, I'm going to just let it sit on the card and press it down so that I know it's well and truly stuck. I can then start building the decoupage that I've cut out from the decoupage sheet. So this is my first layer. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm simply going to put it over the picture on the previous layer. So we're building up the image. There we go. Press it down. My next layer are the smaller panels. Again, 3D foam on the back. I can start building up the panels. And the next one is ingenious. It's the cone with the makeup brushes in and the lipstick and the mascara, etc. Looks great. 3D foam on the back. Match the picture together. Next is like my makeup bag, magic wands, that's what I need. And the wine and the bottle saying happy birthday. 3D foam on the back and match the image up. Then we can start building the decoupage pieces. So I've got the lady that I've cut out. I've got 3D foam on the back so we can match her to the image below. And then her hair. So for any new crafters, if you see this and you think, oh, the rest of us missing, it's meant to be like that because we're building up the actual image into a 3D design. Next, I have the cone I've cut out, 3D foam on the back. So we're building up the cone in the lady's hand. Then we have the bag of magic wands. Again, 3D foam on the back. Add those onto the previous layer. And last but by no means least, the bottle. Now, I'm thinking this could be wine, it could be anything. It says happy birthday, I've cut it out, I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm simply going to add that over the bottle already on our card. And that is our card finished. You can see those layers that we've built up. Beautiful design for so many people. Our gorgeous insert, and just ties the back of it nicely to the rest of the card. So I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 1104034_1483, and you can see any of Julie's designs by searching for Julie Hutchings on the Craftsuprint website. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.